Hello, I'm in a 2016 Nissan Titan, and today I'm going to show you how to adjust your date and time for your display. So first we'll start the vehicle, and then once this is all loaded, we'll go to apps, and then settings, and then system, and then here clock date. And then in here we can change it to 24 hours or 12 hours. You can change how it's displayed, whether it's month, day, year, or day, month, year. And then auto is if you just want it to auto set based off of like your GPS, or you can manually do it, or set it manually here, and then again AM PM, and then the time of day it is, minutes, etc., all the way through. You scroll down to each little area you need, and then it just auto saves as you make these changes. So we can go back now. And then you can, if you needed to, switch between daylight savings, time zone. I'll put it back on auto. And then in auto here is where you can adjust these, and then your time zone. But I hope all this was helpful, and I hope you have a wonderful day.